Hi, I'm Victoria McCoy. I'm from Lakeland High School and I'm currently in 11th grade. I'm a junior. I go to OSTC, Southwest Campus, and I'm studying collision repair and refinishing. This program is great for hands-on kids. Everything we do is hands-on. We rarely sit in the class. We only sit in the class when the teacher's not here. And I love to paint, and that's one of the really cool things is we get to do a bunch of painting, and it's different from other programs here also because we have a lot of different things. We weld and we take out dents, and then we also get to paint, so it's kind of like a mixture of the different classes. I do an OTech program, so I also go to OCC, and I'm taking a auto body class there right now. When I'm finished here, I'm going to finish college, probably a 2-year program at OCC, and then I probably might go to college again and get a business degree so I can open my own shop because I think that would be really cool, and I want it more like a custom shop. Our main teacher, Mr. Sharon, he owns his own shop across the state, I think. It's a couple hours from here. And he's restoring some really cool cars. He's more from the restoration side but he does do collisions, so that's cool. And then we call him Mr. S. I don't know how to pronounce his name, I'm sorry. He's a really great helper. He's just there when you need him. The first thing we do when we get here is we come in the classroom, we sit down, we take attendance. We briefly go over what subjects and stuff we're going to hit today in the shop, and then if we need to, we change and we put on our safety glasses and everything, and then we head over to the shop. And then you can from there, you're either welding or painting. Right now, we haven't really hit much dent repair, but that's one of the next things coming up in our units. So at high school, you go to your high school, and then you have how many classes a day, and you sit through them. But with here, you get to come here, we start in the classroom for maybe 20 minutes, we talk about what we're going over, and then we leave to either change, put on our safety glasses, and then we get to head into the shop. And from there, so far we've done welding and we're painting, and the painting is just really cool and everything about it. And then after that, we clean up, which it's clean up, but it's still kind of entertaining. And then after that, we pack up and we go, and then we do it all again, and it's great. No, I have no experience with cars, so I'm learning as I'm going, so that's really cool for me. So I'm the only female in my program, and I think it's really great because, female power. And then so I feel like I have to prove myself a little bit more because I'm female and all the rest are dudes. Plus, most of them come from families and everything that have been with cars when growing up, and I'm just throwing myself into it. So I try really hard, and I like to practice my stuff, and I think about it outside of school, and it's just that. Yeah, they've been really nice. Everything's really great. I haven't really felt overwhelmed at all. It's just very welcoming to me. Yeah, so I wear glasses. So what we did was we went to Walmart and we sat down and we're like, so I know I'm gonna do this as a career. So we sat down, got myself fitted for safety glasses, and we put my prescription in them. Yeah, I mean, we're getting a ton of new equipment in the collision shop this year, and I think it's really great. Everything looks pretty similar walking through the different programs and everything.